Okay, so this is my second gear bag. Also more accessories than anything. So this is where I keep my batteries. I mean, they're either there or they're not, right? Easy peasy to spot. I keep, lens wipes. I keep the prop adjustment tool in case I have to change out props. This is also where I keep pens to write all my notes in my logbook, and various, lens cloths, lightning card reader for the iPad and iPhone. And my iPhone is always in this slot right here, or this pocket, one of the front pockets, and that's that.